Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm going to show you how to make this home decor easily. Yeah, it may looks like kind of very complex design or something like that, but trust me, if you watch this video carefully and till the end, you can do it by yourself. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, no more further delay, let's start the process.
First, I have taken Fevicryl molded. Please watch it carefully how I am preparing it. Now I am gonna make the leaf shape with the help of this tool. There are three sizes: large, medium and small. I put the links of every products I have used here in the description. It's a oval shape MDF and I have taken a oval shape big mirror also. At first, stick the mirror on the middle of the MDF and mark it properly. Now I am gonna make a long strip or rope and thick as well. Mine is approx 7 mm thick. Actually it looks better. Then stick it properly. Now most important, please make a mark with same distance. I took 2 cm gap from the edges of the MDF so that whenever you stick the leaves you will stick them with proper measurement, like not very close to the mirror or not very close to the edge of the MDF. It will look symmetric. Actually I'm doing it for extra marking because when I put the glue there I can't see the marking properly. And another thing is that there will be no need to fill with color again after putting the leaves, as if actually I am doing this for the first time, so I don't know whether it is needed or not. But yeah, you can skip it, no issue. Before sticking the leaves, please make sure that they are completely dry. To make this full art, I made approx total 450 leaves. Now you can pause for a second and watch the color palette carefully because I'm gonna use the colors one by one. Now I am sticking the second layer. Please use hot glue gun first, otherwise it will become a real struggle. Just see, it is not staying properly. Yeah, although I am sticking them using hot glue gun, but I was not sure that this glue is durable or not, so I put the liquid silicone glue over it, simply to make my art extra secure. always use varnish after finishing your artwork. This will make your artwork highly durable, and I always prefer to put 2 layers of varnish. Now have a closer look. It looks beautiful, isn't it? You know, this art looks beautiful on dark as well as light color wall. I have shown it at the end of this video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button. This will really motivate me to create more such creative video for you. And last but not the least, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.